guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add in like an animation to like the text template and not just the text. So if you go to text, I mean some of them are, well, like most of them are already animated, but for instance this one doesn't come in like animated and you want to animate that. So you're just going to type in whatever you want here. I'm just going to scale it down. I don't know why it's so far apart. You can also change the font if you want to here. And then, for instance, I want to add in an animation to the text template. So basically just right click, create compound clip, and then just go to animation, and here's where you can like add in other animations if you'd like to, like that. And yeah, that's basically it really. You can add in like an animations out or like a combo animation as well, like that. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!